Hi, I am Santana Courtright, and so this is my reflection blog. So currently, I feel as a advanced standing social work intern, I've really used the NASW competencies to really further strengthen areas of growth by reflecting on my experiences and really seeking out opportunities that are able to improve my weaknesses. So the NASW value of competence states that social workers should base practice on recognized knowledge, including empirically based knowledge that's relevant to social work and social work ethics. I feel that by using evidence-based practice, that I am able to ensure I'm providing effective and ethical interventions to my clients. And then through self awareness and transparent reflection, I've been able to really evaluate my level of competency as an advanced level practitioner and demonstrate my knowledge, my skills, and values in the field of social work. I feel like more specifically, I'm able to identify areas where I excel and also areas where I still have a lot of room for improvement. This allows me to continue to grow and develop as a social worker. I feel that this has also helped me provide better support to my clients and really effectively carry out my role as an intern, as a social work intern. I feel confident in my ability to work in the mental health field currently. Although I'm still fairly new, I feel that I'm really able to connect with my clients in a way, using evidence based practice interventions and techniques that are really just rooted in empathy and understanding and just, using my education. I feel like this approach has allowed me to create a solid and meaningful therapeutic relationship with the clients that I work with, which has so far resulted in a really positive outcome on the client's mental health and overall well-being. I know that I still have a lot of room for growth, and I think that one specific area that I can improve upon is developing my skills in trauma informed care. I notice that a lot of my clients, that I connect with in the mental health field have a lot of trauma, and I would like to learn how to be, very sensitive to their needs. And I think that that is an area that I could improve upon. So as I continue my internship and I gain more experience, I plan to enhance my knowledge and skills in this area to ensure that I can provide the best possible support to the care of the clients that I'm working with who have experienced trauma and be able to provide them with the best intervention that I can give. So that is all I have so far. Thank you.